The Khasi Authors Society, during a press briefing held on Saturday, announced several significant resolutions aimed at advancing the cause of the Khasi language. These plans, which were mutually agreed upon by the organization and its partners, are set to be implemented soon. Speaking to the media, Dr. D.R.L. Nonglait, the president of the Khasi Authors Society, revealed that the society, along with other organizations advocating for the inclusion of their own language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, is planning to organize a second national seminar on language inclusion scheduled to be held in New Delhi in 2026. The seminar will focus on urging upon the central government to recognize Khasi as an official language.
Delhi, in Penlongbiang, ya ka national seminar, kan dai ka sen ke baar, hang tia nong ba Delhi, ha ka senam arajar, arpun reu ban pensengau syar sarkar India, ya ka jing dawa ke jongi ban pendung nak tin Khasi apok ka, kernet ba praja griki sincha. The Home Minister in the year 2023, and we have also been following up with the state government, and the state government seems that some maybe follow-up action has been taken up, but then no clear information has been received by the organization, by the society till date. That's why we have decided to follow up more rigorously with the state government as well as with the central government.
Why not this year?
It's not easy, to organize a national seminar in the national capital. Northeast India is very far from the national capital, and we have to also involve with other organizations, and we are now trying to collaborate or program with other organizations which are demanding for inclusion of their languages as well in the HEDU.
Dr. D.R.L. Nonglait also informed that the society is pursuing the formal transfer of a plot of land located in Maulai Nongkwar, currently under the Arts and Culture Department, to the Khasi Authors Society, a process that has not yet been officially completed. In addition, the society has elected and appointed a new executive committee during the recent gathering.
Nangta kawaipat karai ke pakongsan kalong ban budien akbedai bat kejing ai jongka Department of Arts and Culture ya ke jaka hangtai apo tribal a compound jong tribal research institute Maulai ke jaka ke pasan hajar arts park square feet ke bala alat se ke Khasi Author Society handrai ya ke proses ban hand over lani ban ai tino ya ke kendau hadu menta empadap ti ngilekot ban budien bag sarkar kan state no ekani nang bang yo tino la ke jong office jong ka society. Nongklau, editor Dr. Thomlin Lensing, Nangta Secretary Publication Committee Dr. M. Khamden, Nangta Ngidan Kitkot Jong Central Executive Committee Professor Srimlat Khar, Dr. Esther J. Shongwan, Professor Badab Linwar, Professor Desmond L. Kharmauplang, Bat Iba Rafael Warjri. Ngidan Deki auditors Dr. Davidson Jingdo, Bat Dr. Kamper Hawa. Kini kinong kitkam berajian bat nuskam mentagasni. Please one.
Explaining further about the society's ongoing efforts, Dr. D.R.L. Nonglait emphasized that the Khasi Authors Society, through its various regional branches across the Khasi and Jaintia Hills, is intensifying its campaign in schools and colleges to create awareness on the importance of the Khasi language gaining official recognition under the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution.